Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Mazda 3 SP25 sedan, stock reference number 4671. This shape runs from the 4th month 2009 through to the 10th month 2013. It has an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive transmission. L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand fog light. Left power door mirror indicator type. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has 2 dents. Left tail light. Left boot lid garnish. Boot lid appears to have no damage except a faded spoiler. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. The right rear door has multiple small dents. We have the right hand sill skirt. Right front door has multiple dents. Right power door mirror indicator type, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, tail window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater control, 6-stack CD player, display cluster, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp missing the lamp buttons, right hand sun visor, and an average leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.